Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a wash and probably braid out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the braid out or a twist out just yet, but I'm gonna be using the Pantene Gold Series line. Finally, I told you guys that I would do this for you all. And I'm gonna be using the Pantene Gold Series line. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna follow up with their repairing mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair right now, and then we'll get to the styling in a little bit. I just want to show y'all how this is gonna work in my hair. I'm curious to see how this is gonna work in my hair. I've tried the cold wash already, and that was okay. But I haven't tried the shampoo and the conditioner just yet. So I want to go ahead and try this today. So let's just get started, okay? So I just finished just wetting my hair all the way through. So now I'm gonna go ahead in with the shampoo. It smells really nice. This is what it looks like. And that's about, I think, 4 or 5 pumps there that I used. I'm just gonna go ahead and do one of these numbers. This is sudsing up very nicely. This is a nice shampoo. Let me see. It's sulfate free and it's infused with argan oil, and it claims to shampoo to gently cleanse and instantly soften hair, and it's supposed to be for dry and damaged hair, and it says it's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like after the rinse out of the shampoo. My hair feels clean. It feels like it got all the product that I had in my hair out of my hair, definitely. It kind of feels a little, I want to say, it doesn't feel stripped, but it definitely feels clean. So I'd say it's a good cleanser. It's a pretty good cleanser. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Moisture Boost conditioner. This is also infused with argan oil, and it claims to moisturize and detangle hair for instant softness, strength after one wash. But there's a star there next to it, so we'll have to figure out what that star is. It says for dry, damaged hair. This is also sulfate, paraben, and dye-free. There we go. And this says strength against damage. That's what the star was. And so, basic conditioner instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with this first before I follow up with the mask. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is what it looks like. All right, so this feels really, really smooth. I think this is gonna have a lot of slip, definitely. I can feel it already. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply. You got some slip. She got some slip. Let's go ahead and section. Yeah, she got some slip. Feeling it. Feeling homegirl with the slip. Look at how my brush just glides right through. Nice. Yeah, homegirl got some slip. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. What? Okay, I like that conditioner. I like that conditioner a lot. So now I'm going in with the repairing mask. And this says infused with argan oil, again, deep moisturization to replenish and help restore hair health. This is sulfate, paraben free, and dye free. And so let's see the consistency. It's very slick. Yep, that's some silicones in there. It's a soft fragrance. It's not like overpowering or anything. And they all smell the same. So that's a plus. Look at that, y'all see? It's just like gliding through my hair. It's gliding. I'm gonna have to do a clarifying wash day after using these products with all these silicones in it. Look at that, y'all. This is ridiculous. I don't even need my brush no more. Done rinsing out the deep conditioner, and we're gonna see what my hair looks like. Yes, the curls are popping, and my hair feels extremely soft, like extremely soft. It feels really nice. It feels really good. Feels moisturized. Feels good. So far, so good with Pantene. Okay, y'all, so next I'm gonna go in with the leave-on detangling milk. And I've already detangled, so I don't need to detangle again. But this says, this preps and strengthens hair for styling by detangling and softening curls. Sulfate-free, dye-free, and tames frizz. This is what 2 pumps looks like. This smells a little bit salon-y. It doesn't smell exactly like the other 3 products that I just used. And this is the consistency. Very slick. Very slick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. It's definitely detangled, y'all. Like, you don't need to detangle anything else. Completely detangled. Uh-oh. I'm wasting product. I'm wasting my product now. Oh, this stuff is just Slip City. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with the Buttercream. And this, is sulfate free, dye free, and it claims to have 72 hours of moisture. Can y'all see that? But after 72 hours, I'm gonna have to re-moisturize. Is that what y'all really saying? For natural textures, apply a dime-sized amount to palm, rub together to emulsify, pull through curls to infuse moisture and shine. Apply more as needed to enhance definition. You can also use this on relaxed hair, and you're supposed to use it on dry hair if you're using it on relaxed hair. It says apply a dime-sized amount at night before you wrap your hair. Cocktail with intensive hydrating oil for even deeper moisture. Let me show y'all what the buttercream looks like. This is what the buttercream looks like. And that is, it's a nice consistency. It's nice. Smells coney. Like silicones, like I smell it. I do smell it. So, it does not smell like the shampoo and the conditioner. I really like the smell of the shampoo and conditioner. I lied, it's really nice smelling. This to me does not smell anything like that. It's not a bad smell, but yeah, it smells, I could smell those cones in it. So now, after, I'm gonna layer these products. So I'm gonna just do this as I'm going. This is what the curl defining pudding looks like. And yeah, it moves. It's moving out of the jar. But you see how it's jiggly like? And yeah, y'all see what that's looking like. Not sticky. It's a smooth custardy type feeling. Yeah, smooth custardy type feeling. It doesn't feel sticky, although it looks sticky. Looks like glue. So y'all, I'm really impressed with these products. I'm really liking this braid out. It is very, very defined, like very defined. It's very soft, like my hair still feels moisturized, and it just feels soft and silky. And yes, I'm very, very impressed with the results. Like, I don't know, I guess I thought that curling pudding, for whatever reason, would kind of leave my hair like with a crunch on it, but there's no crunch at all. My hair is very, very soft. And so the buttercream and, what is it, the buttercream and the curl pudding, I think they both said on there that they were supposed to give you definition. So it does what it says it's gonna do. I'm really, really impressed with it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair because I'm not gonna leave it like this. And yeah, let's see how the finished result looks. And this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? I think it came out absolutely bomb. I love how it feels, and I love how it looks. It just looks bomb. Right? I think it looks super cute, y'all. So my final thoughts on the Pantene Gold Series line is I'm going to give it a, let me see, a scale out of 1 to 10. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 7. Yeah. No, I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. You know why? Because like my hair is very, very moisturized. It feels really, really good. It looks amazing. I mean, there's some shine. There's a shine factor going on that I don't usually get. And my hair just, it just really just feels amazing, y'all. can't say any more good things about this line. Like, even though it's not like a natural thing, natural products in here,
What you talking about?
It obviously works well with my hair. And I'm not too much of a ingredient. Did I say products or ingredients? I don't know what I said. But the ingredients, even though the ingredients in these products are not all that great, it still work with my hair, obviously. So yeah, if you're not like ingredient, like if you're not an ingredient snob, then you probably would like this line. I mean, it was formulated for textured hair, and from what I understand, like African American scientists, women formulated this whole line, and so yeah, it's working for me. It works for me. So yeah, the buttercream, like I was saying before, well, the buttercream is supposed to be for dry damaged hair, and it has the 72-hour moisture, I guess, hold in it. And I believe this curling pudding is supposed to it defines curls and reduces frizz with a lightweight hold. And that's exactly what I have going on here. There's a lightweight hold, and it's crazy definition, as you can see. And frizz, I would say frizz is minimal. Like, my hair is gonna frizz anyway, but there is minimal frizz, and I think it looks amazing. Like, I cannot stop looking in the mirror, y'all. Like, I'm really, really digging this. So y'all check out the Pantene Gold Series line. It's legit. It's definitely legit. If you have hair like mine, if your texture is similar to mine, you'll probably really, really like it. I don't know what my hair type is. Like, I don't be trying to get into all that type, hair typing and stuff like that. But all I do know is that these products are bomb. They work for my hair, and I definitely will use this line again. Like, yeah, I love it. I want to try a wash and go with these products. I kind of tested it out before using the co-wash. And I mentioned I used the co-wash before, and the co-wash was okay, it was all right. But I'll probably do like a wash day using the co-wash and trying to do a wash and go with these products. So this is just like the first review on this whole Gold Series line, because I really want to do reviews like doing a twist out or a braid out, and then like a wash and go using the same products that I'm reviewing, if that makes sense. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm so happy with the way my hair turned out. I'm gonna go, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, y'all, if you are enjoying my content. Let me know what you want to see next, because I have some stuff that I bought from like my Valentine's Day haul that I haven't used yet. So I have a lot of stuff, y'all, and yeah, y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.